We're here at Jezreel in a beautiful field with a valley behind us. And Joel the prophet talks about the importance of rain upon the land. Rain during the time of harvest, and then former rain that the grain will sprout and grow up properly. Let's read it from Joel chapter 2, beginning at verse 21. Fear not, O land, be glad and rejoice, for the Lord has done marvelous things. Do not be afraid, you beasts of the field, for the open pastures are springing up, and the trees bear its fruit. The fig tree and the vine yield their strength. Be glad then, you children of Zion, and rejoice in the Lord your God. For he has given you the former rain faithfully, and he will cause the rain to come down for you, the former rain and the latter rain in the first month. The threshing floor shall be full of wheat, and the vats shall overflow with new wine. Now here is Ari Bar David to talk more about the former rain and the latter rain upon this beautiful land.
So, in this passage of Yoel, there's so much text. There's so much to talk about. We can talk about God sending Yeshua as the cloud that sends down drops of water, which we call rain. We talk about the first rain, the former one, and the last one, the latter rain. It's all there. But I want to talk now, this time, on another word that appears there, that God will give us the more. More. Again, what is the meaning of the word more in Hebrew? The meaning is teacher. Again, more is the first, the former rain, and also the teacher. I think the first sentence the children study to write and to say when they go to school is Shalom More, which means hello, teacher. More is a teacher. Now, how a teacher and first rain can have the same meaning in biblical Hebrew? It seems something so far away one from the other. We have a wonderful language, and every word in Hebrew has a root, and most of the time the root is only 3 letters. And out of these 3 letters, it comes up like a trunk and many branches, and they spread and spread and spread, but always they have this one root. And once you know the root, you see how beautiful they can spread to each direction. What is the root of more? This is yaro, which the meaning of this is shooting. Now, how a teacher and first rain can be the same thing? What is rain? What is rain? Rain is shooting of drops of water from heaven down to earth. Earth is like a big target, and the shooting of the rain, of the drops down, this is the rain that we get. Now think a moment. Was a teacher, what a teacher is doing? Doing the same. Is shooting words. And who is the target? The heart. If these words are entering to the heart, they proceed and they give seed and life. The same with the word that God is putting in our heart, the same with the rain. When God said in Isaiah 55, my word is like rain. You see, the rain falls down to the ground and bring forth seed. The words are falling into our heart and brings life. So how beautiful that more, teacher, can be on the same time the first rain. And just last sentence, who is the first rain? Who is the more? Who is the teacher? Yeshua. That's why he wanted us to call him our teacher. You see? He came first of all to teach us. So, again, how this prophecy of Joel already accomplished, but not yet to our nation, but to all the other nations. And we are all waiting for the latter rain, because the latter rain, Yeshua will appear again, but this time he will appear also to our nation, to the Jewish nation. And if God promised, God will fulfill.